Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change Microsoft Forms name. First, go ahead and log into your Microsoft Forms account. Once inside the dashboard, just go and select on the forms that you want to rename. Now, once inside, go to your header and click on it. In here, just go and change your header text that will serve as your new name. So just go ahead and type in the new name that you want. And after that, on the upper ribbon, click on this drop down and you will see that under your form title, you'll have your new name for that form. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, you will also see that you have a new name for that form. And that's just basically it. That's how you change your Microsoft Forms name. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.